Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be all designing developer. Like previously we have done many of the things using many different languages, and I hope you all enjoy all the previous things which we have done yet, and I hope you are enjoying all the previous videos also which I have uploaded using JavaScript. And like I've telling you, we are covering a JavaScript series, and there will be many videos using JavaScript because JavaScript is a programming language, and you know that programming language is not really easy to learn. So because of that we have to just do it in many parts, and I'm just doing all the parts project based, and I'm building projects in all the parts of the JavaScript videos which we are covering. Like now today in this video we will be covering about JavaScript strings, like what are JavaScript strings and how to build project using this JavaScript string. We will be building typing speed game using JavaScript string tag, and I will be telling you how to build this typing speed game using this amazing JavaScript string. So remember to see this video if you want to learn how to build JavaScript string project of typing speed test. And if you want to see more videos like that, so hit the like to this video because it gives motivation to me, and also subscribe and hit notification bell from which you will be notified with all the future videos, and share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of your amazing things like you are taking and I am taking. So just now I'll be starting with our project and seeing how to build an amazing project using JavaScript strings of typing speed game. So like I've telling you, we'll be just building an amazing project, and we will be using JavaScript strings to build this project. And today we are building an amazing typing speed game, and we will be using JavaScript string to build this project. So now we'll be starting to build our project of JavaScript strings and seeing how to build this amazing JavaScript string project of typing speed game. So for building this project, I will be opening my VS Code text editor. Now when you've opened this, I will be opening my folder from my desktop of, like, this is the folder JavaScript strings. I have opened this folder. Now when you have opened this is my main file here. So simply I will be moving in this and copying the starting code here, then paste all the code, save this, then here you have to paste this, and you have to close the body tag directly from here and close this HTML tag also. Now when you've written this, you have to now move in this file. Then after moving here, I will be just moving down. You can see we have written all this stuff, so here I will be moving. Then you have to just do one thing, you have to save this. Then I will be moving in this file, press Ctrl B to close all these things. Then here I will be moving in this, and I will be opening it in my default Google Chrome browser here. So I will be moving in this, then you have to move, and you can see there it is. Our file is totally empty, just only the title we are getting of speed typing speed game we are just getting. So I will be doing side by side coding. Side should be bigger, like you all know that. Then we have just copied all the starting code, so here I will be moving right here div class wrapper. Then I will be writing here input type text, which is already written here. I'll be writing input field. Then you have to write here div class. Then I'll be writing here content. Then here I'll be writing box. Here I will be moving down right here div class. Then I will be writing here typing. Then right here typing text. Then I will be moving down right here p tag, control Z, right here p tag. Then I will be writing div. So here I will be moving right here div class content. Then I will be moving down right here ul class. Then I will be writing here result details. Now when you've written this, I will be writing here class time. Then here I will be moving in this tag right here p tag, right here time left. Then I will be moving down, and then here I will be writing span b tag. Then I will be writing here 60 as save this. Then you have to reload. So you can see we are getting 60 seconds here. Then I'll be writing here li right here mistake. Then I will be moving down right here p tag mistakes. Then I will be writing span 0. Then right here class wpm. So here I'll be writing. Then you have to just move down right here p tag, right here wpm, like this. Then when you've written this, I'll be moving down. After moving down, you have to just now move down right here span 0. Then I will be moving down again right here class cpm. So here I will be writing. Then here I will be writing p tag cpm. Then when you've written this, I will be moving down right here span 0, right here button try again. Then here when you've written this, I will be moving down right here script, right src.js slash. Then here I'll be writing paragraphs.js. Then I will be moving down right here script. Here I will be writing source is equals to js slash script.js. Now when you've written this, save this thing and reload. So you can see we are getting all this stuff now. When you're getting this, here you have to move in this file. Then I will be writing this tag, and when you've written this, here I will be now moving in this tag. And now when you've written this thing, just I will be Now here I will be pressing Ctrl Z, and then when you've written this, I will be now only copying this starting code here of this font, then copy this, and here you have to erase, paste this. Then I will be moving down, and here I will be writing this tag. Right here margin, so simply here I will be writing margin 0. Right here padding 0. Then I will be moving down, right here box sizing, and then here I will be writing border box. Here you have to write font family, then I will be writing here Poppins, comma, sans serif. Then I will be writing body, display, flex. Then I will be writing here padding, which should be 0 10 pixel like this. Then I will be writing here align items center. Now you have to write justify content center. Then when you've written this, I'll be writing here min height 100 VH. Right here background 17A to BB. Then when you've written this, I will be writing here selection, right here color white, then right here background again, and then I'll be writing 17A to B8. Then simply here also I'll be writing B8 not BB. So write like this. Then here you have to now move down, right here dot wrapper, then right here width 770 pixel, right here padding 35 pixel. Then you have to save this and reload. So you can see we are getting it styled here. Now when you are getting this, I'll be writing here background white, then right here border radius, which should be 10 pixel, right here box shadow, which should be 0 10 pixel 15 pixel RGBA, right here 0 0 0 0.5. Close this. Right here dot wrapper dot input field. Then I will be moving down, and after moving down here you have to now write a tag which will be like opacity, which should be 0. Right here z index, which should be -999. Then I'll be writing here position absolute. Here you have to write dot wrapper dot content box. Here I will be writing padding 13 pixel 20 pixel 0. Then I will be writing here border radius, which should be 10 pixel. Right border 1 pix solid. Then I will be writing here BF BF BF. Then you have to move down, right here content box dot typing text. Then I will be writing here overflow, which should be hidden. Then I will be writing here max height. So here I will be writing max height 256 pixel. Then when you've written this, I will be writing typing dash text. Then I will be writing here WebKit dash. Then I will be writing scroll bar. Here I will be writing width 0. Then I will be writing here dot typing text p tag. Then here I will be moving down, right here font size 21 pixel. So here I will be writing this. Then I will be writing here text align, which should be justified. Then I will be writing here letter spacing 1 pixel, right here word break. Then I will be writing here break all. So here I will be writing. Then you have to move down, right here dot typing text. So here I will be now erasing this. Then when you've written this, I will be writing span tag here. Then I will be writing position relative. Then I will be moving down, and after moving down here you have to write dot typing text, right here p span correct like this. Then I will be writing here color 56964. Then here I will be moving down, right here dot typing text. Then here I will be writing p span dot incorrect like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving forward, right here color. Then here I'll be writing CB3439. Then I will be writing here outline 1 pix solid. So here I'll be writing white. Then I will be writing here background. Then I will be writing here FFC C0CB. Then I will be writing here border radius. So here I will be now writing this, and here you have to write 4 pixel. Right here dot typing text p span dot active. Right here color. Then I will be writing 17A to B8. Then I will be moving down, right here typing text. Then I will be writing p span dot right here active right before, and then right here position absolute. then I will be writing content which should be like this. Here I will be writing height 2 pixel, right here width 100%. Then I will be now just moving down, right here bottom 0, then I will be writing left 0. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing opacity 0, right here border radius this should be 5 pixel, right here background, and then I will be writing here background 17A to B8. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing animation which should be blink, so here I will be writing animation blink 1x is in out, then I will be writing infinite, so here I will be moving right here like this. Save this, reload. Now you can see we are getting all this stuff. Now when you are getting this, here I will be moving down, right here at the rate, then I will be writing keyframes, and then here I will be writing blink. Here you have to move down, right here 50%, and then here I will be writing opacity 1. Then I will be moving down, right here dot content box, so here I will be writing the content, right here margin top 17 pixel, right here display flex, and then right here padding 12 pixel 0. Here I will be writing flex wrap, then I will be writing align items, and here I will be writing in center. Then you have to move down, right here justify content which should be space between. Then I will be now moving down, right here border top 1 pix solid, then I will be writing BF. Then you have to write dot content, right here button, then write outline none like this. Here I will be writing border none, then right here width 105 pixels, so here I will be writing. Then I will be writing here a tag which will be like color of text should be white. Then I will be writing here padding 8 pixel 0. Then here I will be writing font size 16 pixel, right here cursor which should be pointer. Then I will be writing border radius 5 pixels. So when you've written this, I will be writing background which should be 17A to B8. Then write transition transform 0.3 as ease. Save this, reload. Now here you can see we are getting move down, right here content button, right active. Here I will be writing transform, then right here scale 0.97. Then you have to move down after this tag, and then right here dot content dot result details. Then I will be writing here display which should be flex, right here flex wrap like this. Then right here align items in center like this. Now when you've written this, I will be writing width, then right here calc, and in calc I will be writing 100% minus 140 pixel. Then you have to close this, move down, right here justify content space between, so here I will be now writing. Then right here dot result details, right here li, right display flex. Then I will be writing height which should be 20 pixel. Then I will be writing list style none. Then I will be moving down, right here position relative, right here align items in center. Now here I will be moving down, right here result details. Then I will be moving forward, right here li not. Then I will be writing here first child. Here I will be writing padding left 22 pixel, right here border left 1 pix solid. Then I will be writing here BF. Then I will be now moving down after this tag, right here dot result details li b tag, right font size 19 pixel. Here I will be writing dot result details li span tag, right display block, so here I will be writing display block. Then right here font size 20 pixel, right margin left 10 pixel. Save this, then here you have to reload. Now you can see we are getting it styled here. Then I will be moving down. Then after moving down, you have to now write a tag which should be like a tag which should be li span. Then I will be writing here b tag, right here font weight 500. Then I will be writing li not, then make this tag. Then here I will be writing first child like this. Then here I will be writing a span, right, font weight 500. Then I'll be writing at the rate media. Here I'll be writing max width, which should be 745 pixel. Then I will be moving down right here dot wrapper, right here padding, which should be 20 pixel. Then I will be now moving down right here dot content box, dot content. Then I will be writing padding 20 pixel 0. Then I will be now moving down here. I'll be writing dot content box dot typing. Then here I'll be writing text like this. Then I will be moving right here max height. So simply here I will be writing max height 100%. Then here I will be moving down right here dot typing text, right, key tag. Then I will be writing font size 19 pixel, right here text align left. Then I will be moving right here dot content button. Then I will be writing width, which should be 100% like this. Then I will be writing font size 15 pixel, right, padding. Then after padding 10 pixel 0. Then I will be writing margin top, which should be 20 pixel, right here dot content dot result dash details. Then here you have to move down, and after moving down here I will be writing width 100%. Then here I'll be writing result details. Then I will be writing li not. Then here I'll be writing first, so here I will be writing not first child. Then here I will be moving down right border left 0. Then I will be writing padding 0. Here you have to move down right here result details lip. Then I'll be writing here result details li span. Then right here font size 17 pixel. Then you have to move down right here at the rate media. Then here you have to write max width, so here I will be writing 518 pixel. Then I will be writing dot wrapper dot content box like this. Then I will be writing padding 10 pixel 15 pixel 0. Then here I will be moving right here dot typing text p tag. Then I will be writing font size 18 pixel, right here dot result. So simply here I'll be writing dot result details li, right here margin bottom 10 pixel, and then right here dot content button. Then right here margin top 10 pixel. Save this, reload. Now here you can see we are getting all this stuff now, and then when you've just done that, if I show you, you can see we are getting this. So now here if I just type anything, you can see it is now getting the mistakes, errors, and all these things. You can see it is having the mistakes of mine. Then this is the time moving. Then these are the WPM I'm writing, CPM here. So I will be moving it again right here broadband. Then here you have to write jam is a network like this of the mind. Then here I will be writing one cannot separate like this. You can see these are the things here which I want to show, and this was our speed typing test game which we have built, and I hope you understand how we have built. If you have understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things. So just I'll be with you next project with more amazing things. So for today, goodbye.